Very good evening, people. So this is a very interesting thing which I've done today. So this is a 2013 27 inches iMac logic board which came in dead. So upon inspection, I have changed power supplies. It was not turning on. It had a very bad liquid damage. I don't know how the damage has happened. So when I've measured, I could see corrosion at this part here. So when I checked it, this is for the S5 rail, 5 volt S5 rail goes here. This was shorted to ground by about 0.7 ohms. So I injected power. So this is the S5 rail which is shorting to ground. The red one is for the positive and the white one is for the negative. I have connected it to my power supply. So now it's taking 4.5 volts at 100 milliamps. Initially this light was not glowing because there was a short on S5 rail, and when I injected power and checked on the thermal camera, this capacitor here, there was one capacitor which was shorting to ground. I just knocked this capacitor off, I just removed it, and the light started glowing again. So now the short circuit is relieved. Let's put this iMac back in the casing, and I will get back with the speakers and fans and everything. So the iMac board is back in the casing. So this is a logic board, this is a power supply, this is a speaker, and there is no fan. I have not connected the fan. I will just show you why I didn't connect the fan. So this is a power cable. So there is a power button behind. So here is the power button. So when I press the power button, now the one LED is glowing. You will see second and third LED also glow. Here we go. 1, 2, 3. Second, third LED, and it chimes. Since we have removed the screen, the fourth LED isn't glowing. So this needs a fan replacement too. I have to inform the client about the fan. So because the fan is a short circuit, once you are connecting the fan, it is shorting out and there's a flames which is going on behind. Successfully we have fixed an iMac shorted S5 rail. There was a 3.3 volt S5 rail which was shorted to ground. The short circuit was about 0.7 ohms to ground. So let's turn it off because there is no fan. It's not safe to run iMac without a cooling fan. So now you can see I have connected the screen. So the screen backlight is also working. In some time you will notice a question mark folder. Let's just wait. In a minute or so, you will find a flashing question mark folder because you haven't connected the hard drive. Anytime from now here you can see the question mark folder is flashing. So now you can see all the 4 LEDs are blinking. I'll just show you like this. You can see all the 4 LEDs are blinking here. So that means power supply, CPU, GPU and the screen all are connected. What are these LEDs? So now I will explain why are these LEDs here. So first LED is for the power supply. Second LED is for the power to the CPU. Third LED is the power to the GPU. And the fourth LED is for the screen. Now the screen is not connected. This is where the screen goes. This is the LVDS connector of the screen of the board. Now the screen is not connected, so the fourth LED isn't blinking. So now let's just turn off. I pressed and holding the power button. You can see now just only one LED is blinking. That's the power supply LED. So why I haven't connected the fan is, you can see I have ran a small wire here. You can see. So in the course of the repair, the thing has this is a connection which I've made, but this connection is gone. That's because this is the fan for the iMac. So this particular fan, I think it has an internal short. So whenever I'm connecting the fan, this is getting burned. There's a coil behind for the fan which is getting burned. So I suspect there's a short circuit in the fan, and it's happening only when the fan is connected. So now the fan has to be replaced in this.